So friends, in today's video, I'm going to tell you about all the buttons and functions of the Carrier Inverter AC remote in great detail and in simple terms. So let's start the video. You can see the power button on the remote. With this, you can turn the AC on and off. The next button is the temperature up and down button. The more you press the temperature down button, the lower the temperature will be. The more you lower the temperature, the more cooling it will provide. Its lowest temperature is 17 degrees. The more you press the temperature up button, the higher the temperature will be, and the AC will start cooling less. Its highest temperature is 30 degrees. If you only need cooling and want to reduce your electricity bill, use 26. This is also a very good temperature for our body. If you're feeling too cool at 26 degrees, set your AC's temperature to 27 degrees. And if you're feeling too hot at 26 degrees, set your AC's temperature to 25 or 24. The next button is Fan. This is for the fan speed that blows air from the indoor unit. It operates in 4 speeds. Currently, the fan speed is set to low. Currently, the fan speed is set to medium. Currently, the fan speed is set to high. Currently, the fan speed is set to auto. You can control the fan speed as you wish. If you need to cool the room quickly, set the fan speed to high. The next button is Mode. The Mode button has 4 functions. Pressing the Mode button will display the mode on the remote. The mode is currently in cool mode. The mode is currently in dry mode. The mode is currently in fan mode. The mode is currently in auto mode. Now I'll explain the modes in detail in very simple terms. In cool mode, all the buttons on the AC remote will work, and the AC will cool in this mode. And in cool mode, the AC will cool as per your requirement. The next mode is dry. You can use dry during the rainy season. Rainy season has a lot of humidity and sticky heat, so using the AC in dry mode removes that humidity. The next mode is fan mode. In fan mode, the AC will not cool. Only the indoor unit's fan will run. Suppose you don't have a fan in your room, and you don't need AC cooling, but only want to use the AC's fan. You can use fan mode. After that, press the mode button again and the auto mode will come on. In auto mode, your AC will operate automatically and automatically. The next button is Instacool. Instacool is a special feature in Carrier Inverter AC that provides fast and instant cooling, especially in hot weather. It increases the fan speed, sets the temperature to 17 degrees Celsius, and runs for 45 minutes, providing instant relief from the intense heat. If you're coming into your room from outside and your room is very hot, and you need quick cooling, you can use the Instacool button. The next button is Swing. This button is for the swing on the front of the AC. It works up and down. Using the swing will quickly spread the AC's cooling throughout the room. Pressing this button will stop the swing flap wherever you want it to stop. Pressing this button will automatically activate the swing flap. The next button is Step. If you want to manually use the AC's swing flap or set it to your liking, use this button. The next button is Option. There are 4 functions in Option: Follow Me, Eco, Self-Clean, Plasma. Now let me explain these functions in detail. The next function is Follow Me. The Follow Me function of Carrier AC means that the air conditioner will adjust its cooling based on the temperature detected by the sensor in the remote control. Essentially, when activated, this feature will follow you around the room, directing cool air towards your location to ensure you are always in the most comfortable position. This is achieved by the remote sensing the temperature around it and sending signals to the AC unit to adjust accordingly. The next function is Eco. Eco mode uses less energy than other modes. Compared to normal mode, Eco mode uses a lower compressor capacity, which uses less energy. You can save energy and money at any time, or use it to cool more effectively when it's not too hot outside, meaning you won't have to worry about high electricity bills. The next function is Self-Clean. The Self-Clean function of Carrier AC automatically cleans and dries the indoor unit's evaporator coils after the AC is turned off, helping to prevent mold growth and maintaining better air quality by eliminating moisture and bacteria buildup on the coils. This feature is usually activated via a dedicated button on the remote control, and once started, the AC will run at a lower fan speed to effectively dry the coils. The next function is plasma. Carrier air conditioners with the plasma function use an electrostatic field to convert air into plasma, which helps remove dust, smoke, and pollen particles. This improves the air quality in the room. The plasma function generates an electrostatic field. Air passing through the field is converted into plasma. The plasma attracts dust, smoke, and pollen particles to the electronegative filter, which removes the particles from the air. The next button is the timer. Pressing the timer button will display the timer off time. Set the time you want to turn off your AC. You can set a timer from 1 hour to 24 hours in the timer off option. For example, if I want to turn off the AC in 5 hours, I would set a time of 5 hours. The timer off will automatically set. To cancel the timer, press the power button on the remote twice to cancel the timer. The next button is sleep. Sleep mode on Carrier Inverter AC gradually increases the temperature throughout the night so you can sleep comfortably. This is a low power mode that helps you save energy. The AC gradually increases the temperature by 0.5 to 1 degree Celsius per hour, up to a maximum of 3 degrees Celsius per hour. When the desired temperature is reached, the AC automatically shuts off and turns back on. Sleep mode helps you fall asleep easily. If you wake up in the middle of the night, it helps you fall back asleep quickly and can extend the life of your system and reduce AC servicing costs. Those who want to sleep comfortably without overcooling and save money on electricity bills can use sleep. The next button is light. Pressing the light button will turn off your AC display, but your AC will remain on. You can use this button to turn off the AC display light only. The next button is My Mode. On Carrier AC, the My Mode function allows you to save your favorite settings, such as temperature, fan speed, and louver position, so whenever you turn the AC on, it automatically returns to your customized comfort level. Essentially, it remembers your preferred operating mode for the unit. In this mode, you set the desired temperature, and long pressing the My Mode button will set the My Mode. If the remote settings go wrong, you can return to your saved settings by pressing the My Mode button. The next function is Flexi Cool. The Flexi Cool function in Carrier's Inverter AC is a convertible technology that allows you to adjust the cooling according to your needs. With this function, you can adjust the AC cooling performance and energy consumption in multiple modes, such as optimizing energy consumption based on the weather and your preferences. It allows you to choose from 4 or 6 different operating modes, providing a personalized cooling experience. The Flexi Cool function of Carrier Inverter AC has options from FC1 to FC5 for different cooling and energy-saving modes. These options allow you to control the air conditioner's performance and energy consumption according to your needs. FC1 provides maximum energy efficiency and less cooling, approximately 80% cooling, 20% savings. FC2 provides maximum energy efficiency and less cooling, approximately 60% cooling, 40% savings. FC3 provides normal cooling and energy savings, approximately 40% cooling, 60% savings. FC4 provides maximum cooling and minimal energy savings, approximately 60% cooling, 40% savings. FC5 provides maximum cooling, 100% cooling, no energy saving mode. You can use the Flexi button on the remote to switch between these modes. I hope you understood the information I provided. Please like my video and subscribe to my channel.